How long do you think you'd last in a blizzard without food? A few hours? Maybe a day? There's an animal that can tough it out for days with no food at all. But first, if you think this little piglet is cute, please like the video and subscribe. Look at this poor cat. He was left out in the cold, hungry, and alone. People ignored him simply because they thought he looked unusual. If you're a kind-hearted person, leave a heart emoji in the comments. May millions of angels pray for you and your loved ones. Share this video with your friends so that this poor cat can be saved. Meet the musk ox. During blizzards, they can survive for days without food, using their thick coats and slow metabolisms to stay alive.